explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 17 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is articles, right? So इस chapter का नाम है articles. Let us discuss about what these articles are. So the words a, an and the are called articles. फिर जितने भी words हैं a, an और the, ये सब ये हमारे articles कहलाते हैं. Now they have given us the use of a, कि हम a को कैसे use करें. So we use a before words that begin with a consonant, कि हम a को उन words के पीछे use करते हैं जो कि consonant sound से शुरू किए जाते हैं. Example, a bulb, a skirt, a uniform, right? Next, we have use of and. तो अब हम and का use कहाँ करते हैं? So, we use and before words that begin with a vowel sound, that is a, e, I, o, u and silent h. कि हम and का use करते हैं vowel sounds के साथ, जिसमें vowels होते हैं a, e, I, o, u और साथ ही साथ h जो कि silent होता है, right? Example, an owl, an hour. The word a and an are called indefinite articles. कि word a और an जो होते हैं वो indefinite articles कहलाते हैं. Why? Because they do not refer to any particular person or thing. क्योंकि वो किसी भी particular person या फिर thing को refer नहीं करते हैं. Now read the following sentences. तो अब जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं और समझते हैं. Priya went to a shop and bought an umbrella. Next, Priya went to the shop corner and bought the umbrella. Right? So, in the first sentence, the shop could be any shop, an umbrella could be any umbrella. कि पहले सेंटेंस की अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ पर जिस शॉप के बारे में जिक्र किया जा रहा है वो कोई भी शॉप हो सकती है, या फिर जिस अम्ब्रेला की हम बात कर रहे हैं वो कोई भी अम्ब्रेला हो सकता है, right? While in the second sentence tells you that Priya went to a particular shop and bought a particular umbrella. कि वही सेकेंड सेंटेंस हमें बता रहा है कि प्रिया एक पर्टिकुलर शॉप पर गई जहाँ पर उसने उस पर्टिकुलर अम्ब्रेला को खरीदा, राइट? नेक्स्ट, यूज ऑफ द. तो अब द का यूज कैसे किया जा सकता है, राइट? द इज अ थर्ड टाइप ऑफ आर्टिकल कॉल्ड द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल. तो द जो है वो थर्ड टाइप आर्टिकल है जिसको हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल के नाम से जानते हैं. It is used to refer to a particular or definite person or a thing. कि ये यूज़ किया जाता है एक particular या फिर definite person को refer करने के लिए, right? So, what do we learn from this? We place a or an before singular nouns. कि हम a और an को हमेशा singular noun से पहले ही use कर सकते हैं. The can be used before both singular and plural nouns. The जो है वो दोनों singular या फिर plural nouns के पहले use किया जा सकता है. We do not use a or an before nouns that have plural forms. कि हम a और an को use नहीं करते हैं nouns के पहले जिनकी कोई plural forms नहीं होती है. Example, milk, sugar, water, etc. Right? The article, the is used. कि जो article the है वो कहाँ use किया जाता है? To refer to a particular person or thing. जब हमें एक particular person या फिर thing को refer करना हो. Example, the boys, the car. Right? With names of oceans, seas, rivers, mountain ranges and famous buildings, right? कि oceans, seas, rivers, mountain ranges, famous buildings, इन सभी के नाम से पहले इंडियन ओशियन इन सभी के नाम से पहले द को हम यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल, द इंडियन ओशियन, द नाइल and the Eiffel Tower. When religious books or newspapers are spoken of, जब हम religious newspapers या फिर books के बारे में बात कर रहे हो तब. Example, the Vedas, the Times of India. Next, to refer to things that are only one of their kinds. ऐसी चीज़ों को रेफर करने के लिए जो कि अपने तरीके के सिर्फ एक हो, राइट, उनके जैसी कोई और दूसरी चीज़ मौजूद ना हो. Example, the sun and the moon, etc. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the articles as well as their uses. So that was all from my side. Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the practice worksheet of chapter number 17, that is articles, right? So let us begin with the very first exercise of it, that are the multiple choice questions. So it says there are dash articles. There are 3 articles, right? So we'll write 3. Then, she bought dash umbrella. And the options are a, an or the. So, the correct option is an. She bought an umbrella. Right? Next, the dash is a star. Dash is a star. Dash sun is a star. So, the options are a, the or an. So, it is the. The sun is a star. Right? Now, moving ahead, it says, look at the picture. Use a or an along with the names. तो अब हमें पिक्चर्स को देख के उनके नाम लिखने हैं और साथ ही साथ उनके नाम के पहले ए या फिर एन का यूज भी हमें करना है, राइट? सो इट इज अ melon, a leaf, an elephant, and a mango. Clear? Then after that, we have fill in the blanks with a or an. तो अब हमें a या फिर an के साथ इन blanks को fill करना है. So it says, Tina is dash Indian. Tina is an Indian. I saw dash ugly duckling. I saw an ugly duckling. There is dash tadpole in the pond. There is a tadpole in the pond. The Titanic sank due to dash iceberg. Due to an iceberg. Then Ravi wrote dash letter yesterday. Ravi wrote a letter yesterday. Right? Then after that we have fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Right? Now we have to fill the blanks with the help of a, an or the. So it is Vinita ate dash egg. Vinita ate an egg, an orange, and a toast for breakfast. Then next, dash Akshardham temple in Delhi is beautiful. So it is the Akshardham temple in Delhi is beautiful. Next, dash sky is clear today. The sky is clear today. Next, My parents will be back in dash hour. My parents will be back in an hour. Right? The next, dash Bible is the holy book of dash Christians. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.